Welcome to another video of Everyone Racing, and once again I'm taking advantage that I have a day off and I can actually make some more videos. So if you see my previous video, I was wearing same clothes because I just did a video a couple hours ago. So today's video right now, I'm going to be making the WRX a little bit louder. So a long time ago, I actually got like some Nameless Performance 4-inch mufflers axle back that were coming off from a 2014 WRX. And the only problem with that is everything is the same, except the hangers are a little bit longer, so it sits a little bit lower on the bumper. So right here, I do have my new Nameless Performance 4-inch tips. Muffler deletes, so it has absolutely no mufflers. It's just the tips, it's just the axle back, and on top you'll see it's like 2.5 4-inch muffler, Nameless from a 14 WRX, so you can kind of see that it sits a lot lower. Everything bolts in the same. The only problem is that, you know, the hangers are a little bit longer. But as you can see, the ones in the bottom, the Nameless Performance, the 4-inch tips are nice. It's pretty big compared to the other ones. So I'm not really going to show you how these exhaust, or the exhaust that I have currently right now, how they sound. I'll just leave a little bubble wherever it goes on the top of my previous video, so you can actually see what my video, or what the exhaust sounds like. So now I'm going to go and install this real quick. It takes a couple minutes, and then turn on the car on to see how it sounds. So the one side is done, and as you can see, such a huge difference in size alone from one side to the other. So I'm just gonna go finish the right one before the sunlight goes away, and then I can turn the car on and show you what we got. Alright, so both sides are, ooh, almost fell here. Okay, so both sides are done, as you can see right there and over there. I would have preferred just a tiny little bit closer to the bumper. If you guys see this side of my STI, that's almost touching right there, but it looks good. It's I mean, it's double-sided, whatever that it is called. It's not single, it's double-walled 4-inch tips from Nameless Performance. And just in case if you guys ask, I did get these hues. I didn't buy them brand new, yeah, because I really wanted to get rid of these. And yeah, so let me pick up this real quick, put the camera on, turn it on, and see how it sounds. So I definitely feel that the mufflers are a little more louder than these ones, even though these ones don't have no mufflers. But I feel like the 4-inch mufflers are a little bit deeper, like maybe more drony. This one's just seem a lot quieter for some reason. I was expecting like more like a really loud cold start, kinda cold, but is quieter, I think. It does sound a little bit more like it sounds a little bit different than the mufflers, of course, because the mufflers are a little bit more more drony, I think. These ones are less drony. But I'm gonna take it for a little drive real quick and then test out to see how it sounds, to see if it's any different or a little quieter, and then let's see from there. What? Why? What? The e-brake? Alright, hold on. Let me get the e-brake for her. She's too weak for this e-brake.
I can't. Sometimes you do it like not so hard.
Hold on. Let me get it myself. There we go. Oh, babe. What the heck? Come on. What the heck? I'm still in the car. She almost killed me. Alright, so let's see how it sounds when she drives away. She's probably not gonna drive hard at all. But I do have to say, it is definitely quieter than the 4-inch muffler. Definitely. It is nicer because I wanted to keep the car you know, stock-ish. Oh, little pops there, in there. Actually, it sounds actually sounds louder from outside. It does sound a little bit different though. It is definitely different. It's more growly than more drony. So the other mufflers are more drony and these ones are more growly, but they are a little bit quieter inside the car, which is actually pretty nice. But when she drove off, it actually sound, I can kind of hear it. I used to kind of hear still the old ones. These ones do sound nice, but for sure I do like it because it look a lot better than the tiny little mufflers here. But I'm pretty much that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are brand new, consider subscribing because there's more videos like this. A lot of plans for the WRX, some plans for the STI, and I'm actually working on the GTR. So that's the engine right there. I was cleaning up really good because the build for the GTR is coming very soon. I am once I get the engine nice and clean, it is all downhill from there. So, or uphill, downhill. How do you call it? The uphill, downhill? But whatever. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.